Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into a super practical guide to keep your car reliable and you confident on the road. This is all about a simple 3-month check you can do yourself. Let's get right to it.
You know that feeling, right? That little pit in your stomach when your car starts making a weird noise and you just see dollar signs? Well, the good news is a simple, proactive checkup can help you dodge most of those budget-breaking surprises.
So, here's how we're going to break it all down. 6 simple sections, from a quick walk around to peeking under the hood. This is our roadmap for the next few minutes, taking you on a full tour of your vehicle's health.
So, first up, why even bother with this every 3 months? Well, because a tiny bit of time and attention now pays off in huge ways down the road.
It's really all about catching the small stuff early, preventing a tiny issue from snowballing into a massive repair bill. It keeps things running smoothly, boosts your gas mileage, and frankly, just gives you some real confidence in your ride. It all adds up to saving money and, more importantly, avoiding a whole lot of stress.
All right, let's start with the easiest part of the whole check, a simple walk around. And we're going to begin by taking a quick look underneath your car. You're basically looking for what you might call car cancer, rust, especially on the exhaust. Catching it early is absolutely key. At the same time, just listen. You know the normal sounds of your car. Anything new, anything that sounds off, could be the very first sign that something needs a closer look.
Okay, now this is where you get to play detective. Seriously, the color of a leak is a huge clue. It's like your car is trying to tell you exactly what's wrong before you even have to talk to a mechanic. A clear puddle is usually just water from the AC, but brown, red, or green, that's a different story.
Okay, time to pop the hood. Let's take a look at the heart of your vehicle.
First things first, let's check the lifeblood of your engine, the fluids. Pay close attention to your oil. It should look like a clean amber or brown, not black and sludgy. And the brake fluid, that is an absolute, non-negotiable safety check. Don't ever let that get low.
Next up, 2 simple things you can spot with just your eyes. Look for that fuzzy white or greenish corrosion on your battery terminals and just make sure the connections are snug. Then pop open the air filter box. If that filter is clogged with dirt, a new one is a cheap and easy way to improve both your performance and your fuel economy. Your engine's belts are so important. They run everything from your alternator to your water pump, and thankfully, they practically scream at you when they're starting to get old and worn out.
So if you see little cracks or if the surface looks all shiny and glazed, that's a sign it's slipping. And that classic high-pitched squeal when you first start the car, that is the belt's cry for help. A failed belt will leave you stranded, period. So if you spot any of these signs, get it inspected ASAP.
And hey, here's a super simple physical test you can do. Just find a long stretch of the belt and press down on it firmly. You shouldn't be able to push it down more than about ½ inch. Any more give than that, and it's definitely too loose and needs to be tightened.
Okay, we are done under the hood for now. Let's talk about 2 things that are all about safety, seeing the road and making sure other people can see you.
Look, worn-out wipers aren't just an annoyance, they are a genuine safety hazard. They totally compromise your view when you need it most. So if your wipers are leaving streaks or making that awful chattering sound, like you see in the right column, it is time for a new pair, no question about it.
Next, do a quick walk around and test all your lights. You might need to grab a friend or just prop your phone up recording a video to check the brake lights by yourself. Just remember, being seen by other drivers is every bit as important as you being able to see the road ahead.
Now for the parts that physically connect you to the road. Let's talk about what gives you grip, stopping power, and a smooth ride.
Most tires have these little wear bars built right into the grooves, making it pretty easy to check your tread. But here's the real pro tip. Look for uneven wear. If one side of the tire is more worn than the other, that's a huge red flag for bigger issues like bad alignment. And please, whatever you do, don't forget your spare tire.
You have to pay close attention to brake noises. A squeal is often just a warning. It's a little metal tab telling you the pads are getting low. But a grinding sound? Whoa, that is a completely different animal. That means the pads are gone and you have metal grinding on metal. That's a serious safety issue that needs immediate attention.
Okay, to wrap things up, let's jump inside the cabin for just a few final but really important safety checks.
This is the easy stuff, right? Give the horn a quick beep, check the cabin light, but the most overlooked item is almost always the first aid kit. Take 30 seconds, open it up, make sure it's fully stocked, and that nothing critical, like antiseptics or bandages, has expired.
When it comes down to it, this whole process is about one thing:
Shifting your mindset. It's not about becoming a mechanic. It's about being proactive, being in tune with your car so you can catch the little things before they become big, wallet-draining problems.
And the return on this small investment of your time? It is significant. It's the confidence you feel driving a car you know is well maintained. It's the safety, the savings, and that true peace of mind that comes with it.
And that leaves us with a final thought. We've just seen how a little proactive care can prevent major headaches with your car. So, what's one other area in your life where that look-ahead mindset could save you from some serious problems down the road? Definitely something to think about.
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.